Maya Payaldo po kayo. Ako po'y Father Bede Salas Hechanova of the Order of Saint Benedict. Taga Sunrise Subdivision ko po. Masaya ko pong mag-greet kayo ngan kay okasyon na ning 60th Canonical Foundation na ning katamong parokya. Lalong-lalo na sa panahon ng pandemya at sa ating mga pinagdadaanan ngayon bilang sambayanan ng Diyos, sana magiging matatag at mas malakas ang ating paniniwala, ang ating pag-asa at pagmamahalan sa bawat isa. Kasalpantayanan, hope, and love. These are the virtues that each and every one of us must be able to cultivate so that we become more of God's community, loving each other, and faithfully rendering service to one another, offering our lives to one another, just like our own patron saint, Saint Matthias, who offered his life to God and to God's people. Again, a joyful greetings on the 60th Canonical Foundation of our parish, Saint Matthias.